video I'm going to review about Good Vibes Pomegranate Glow Toner. You can see there are 3 bottles, 1, 2 and 3. It already says that how much I love this toner because I'm already using 3 bottles right now. Coming to the video, let me clear one thing. Many people ask me that is it a sponsor video of Good Vibes? No, this is not a sponsor video of Good Vibes. I love this product, so I'm reviewing. If you like my video, just give a like, share, subscribe and comment down below. Okay, now coming to the toner, these are Good Vibes, one of the best selling highly rated toner. Okay, these toner have a very nice fragrance, this is the pomegranate toner. Good Vibes, each and every product claims it has no paraben, no alcohol, no sulfate and it's totally cruelty free. The ingredients in this toner are purified water, propylene glycol, glycerine, betaine, glycolic acid, milk extract, rose, damascena flower water, morus bala extract, galba extract, pomegranate extract as it claims pomegranate. It's a pomegranate extract, citrus actinium, there are hibiscus, okay, and there are many more. Okay, there are many more of the products like Sosa Canyon seed oil, Araganian Cypnosia oil. Okay, I'm just hearing these for the first time. I never heard any of these. I am using this toner for more than 1.5 years. This is a 120 ml bottle. This is a 120 ml bottle. You can see this toner is really good. Sorry for my skin right now. You can see there are a lot of bumps on my face. This is just because of some of my previous issue. It's not because of the products I'm using. I have to mention this. Right now I'm having so much of the bumps and the pimples and acne. I have a little sensitive oily skin, so I have to be very choosy about the products I am using. But in this face condition, I am using no products except this toner and one serum. Okay, and this toner really has no side effects. It really has no any kinds of side effects. It really has a very nice fragrance. It's a pomegranate fragrance. It comes in a spray bottle. It's so refreshing. It comes in a spraying bottle. Okay, you can see. Now I have already used one bottle. This is totally empty. This bottle is half used and this bottle is full, and I'm going to order one more. So you can see that how much I use this toner. This toner is really good. Once you spray this toner on your face, it really gives no irritation, no itchiness, no nothing. It refreshes your mind, it refreshes your skin, it hydrates your skin. You can use any time of the day. I use at least 3 to 4 times in a day. Like when I woke up, I wash my face, I spray this toner. After coming from bath, I spray this toner. In the evening, before going out somewhere or before putting makeup, I spray this toner, and before going to sleep, again I spray this toner. So this is one of my favorite toner. I always keep on using. Now in my previous video, as I always say that each and every product that I use for both men and women. I use the products on both men face and women face to see the difference. Is there is something that it only works for female and doesn't work for the rough and tough skin for male? No, this works for both. During the lockdown period, me, my mom, my uncle, each and every one of my house used to do the skincare routine. So I used to spray this toner every day on my uncle's face, and he is getting that glow. You never get the glow in just 1 or 2 days. You have to use this every day and the glow comes gradually, because this really claims a glow toner. Now let me clear one thing. In my video, in my channel, I don't promote any kind of racism, whether it's skin racism, whether it's body shaming or anything, because I believe every skin tone, every body shape is beautiful. Now coming to the price, it's $195, but in Purple you always get this product for 140, 145, and particularly in purple you only get the Good Vibes product, because Good Vibes is one of its own products, Purple's own product, and it's an Indian brand. As far I know, it's an Indian brand. The Good Vibes always have discounts. There is always going on like 20%, 30%, 35% sale throughout the year. Apart from that, sometimes you get these for free, because Good Vibes always gives some kind of offer, buy 2 get 1, buy 3 get 2. I think right now even also some offer is going on due to this Women's Day sale. Yeah, Women's Day sale. And Purple always keeps on giving you discounts and products and everything. If you want to purchase this toner, just go and buy from Good Vibes. Go and buy from purple.com. Sorry. This toner really has no side effects, and the using of toner, there are so many advantages of using the toner. 1, it soothes your skin. 2, it tightens the pore. If you have an oily face, if you have large pores, it tightens the pores of your skin. It keeps your skin balanced and hydrated. It prepares your skin for another step of any skincare routine or putting makeup or anything. Even it sometimes helps you in removing the makeup, because if you just spray the toner and then you put some cleansing oil, that I do, and you just start rubbing your face with a cotton pad or cotton ball, you will see a lot of makeup and dirt is coming out. This toner has many advantages. This pomegranate toner is one of the best selling, best highly rated toner you can use, whether you are a man or a woman. You can use this toner, and this toner is really good. And I want to say something, that I am new to this YouTube world, so I am not very professional. I'm just a beginner. I am trying to create something for myself as well as for you all guys. If I'm doing any mistakes in my video, if there is any mistakes or anything lagging, please comment me, please tell me, but don't hate me, because I'm really trying to improve myself and trying to help you guys with some of my small videos, because your love and support is going to give me strength, and it's going to make me more confident. I am really trying hard. I am new, and I hope you all will show your love. Please show your love if I'm doing anything wrong. If you want more descriptions, if you want more detail, then please do let me know in the comment section below, and the purchase link and everything I will give in the description box. You can click on those links and buy these Good Vibes products. Okay, these are really my little babies. I just love them. Now I'm going to show that how the toner works. I'm just going to go and wash my face. I'm going to put off all the makeup from my face, and I'm going to spray the toner on my face, and I'm going to show you how it works. So just give me 2 minutes. I'm coming back. Okay, I'm back with a clean face. Just now I have washed my face, and so it's just a bare skin. Okay, right now it's have no makeup, no nothing. You can see the bumps. Let's shake the bottle nicely because I love shaking the bottle before using toner. Now the toner is ready. Yes, let's spray this on the face. It really has no irritation, simply no irritation on the skin, nothing, and has a nice fragrance that refreshes skin and gives you a healthy, hydrating skin. And I hope you're going to like this. Bye bye.